Nature, in its vastness and diversity, is a symphony of life that resonates through every corner of the earth. From the towering mountains to the deepest oceans, the boundless skies to the dense forests, nature is an intricate tapestry woven with threads of beauty, complexity, and interdependence. It is a source of inspiration, sustenance, and wonder for humanity. This essay explores the multifaceted aspects of nature, delving into its beauty, ecosystems, flora and fauna, cycles, the impact of human activities, and the imperative of conservation. The aesthetic value of nature is one of its most immediate and profound attributes. The beauty of nature can be observed in the vivid colors of a sunset, the serene stillness of a forest, the majestic sight of a mountain range, and the delicate intricacies of a blooming flower. This beauty is not just a superficial characteristic, but a reflection of the deep and complex processes that sustain life on Earth. Natural landscapes are diverse and breathtaking. Mountains like the Himalayas, Andes, and Rockies rise dramatically from the Earth, their peaks often shrouded in clouds and capped with snow. These towering giants are not only visually stunning, but also crucial for the ecosystems they support. Valleys nestled between mountains teem with life, nourished by rivers and streams originating from glaciers. Deserts, though seemingly barren, hold a stark beauty. The shifting sands of the Sahara, the unique flora and fauna of the Sonoran Desert, and the vast emptiness of the Gobi Desert illustrate the adaptability of life. Deserts are characterized by extreme conditions, yet they harbor a surprising diversity of organisms, each uniquely adapted to their harsh environment. Oceans, covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface, are a world unto themselves. The sight of waves crashing against cliffs, the serene expanse of the open sea, and the vibrant colors of coral reefs offer glimpses into the ocean's complex ecosystems. Marine life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales, thrives in these watery realms, each playing a role in the oceanic food web. The changing seasons add another layer to nature's beauty. Spring brings a burst of life, with flowers blooming, animals awakening from hibernation, and trees budding. Summer follows with lush greenery, long days, and an abundance of life. Autumn, with its tapestry of reds, oranges, and yellows, marks a period of transformation. Leaves fall, and animals prepare for the coming winter. Winter, though often seen as a time of dormancy, has its own beauty in the stillness of snow-covered landscapes and the clarity of crisp, cold air. Nature is a network of interconnected ecosystems, each comprising various living organisms and their physical environment. These ecosystems range from dense forests and sprawling grasslands to wetlands and coral reefs, each playing a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Forests are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. Tropical rainforests, like the Amazon, are often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, due to their role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. They are home to countless species of plants, animals, and insects, many of which are yet to be discovered. Temperate forests, with their distinct seasons, support a variety of wildlife, including deer, bears, and numerous bird species. Boreal forests, or taigas, found in northern regions, are dominated by coniferous trees and serve as crucial carbon sinks. Grasslands, such as the African savannas and the North American prairies, are characterized by vast open spaces and a predominance of grasses. These ecosystems support large herbivores like bison, zebras, and antelope, as well as predators such as lions and wolves. Grasslands are also important for agriculture, providing grazing land for livestock and fertile soil for crops. Wetlands, including marshes, swamps, and bogs, are among the most productive ecosystems. They act as natural water filters, trapping pollutants and sediments. Wetlands provide habitat for a diverse array of species, including amphibians, birds, fish, and plants. They also play a critical role in flood control by absorbing excess water during heavy rains. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea due to their incredible biodiversity. These underwater ecosystems support a vast array of marine life, including fish, mollusks, and crustaceans. Coral reefs protect coastlines from erosion, support fisheries, and are a source of new medicines. However, they are highly sensitive to changes in water temperature and acidity, making them vulnerable to climate change. The variety of plant and animal life on Earth is astonishing. Each species, no matter how small, plays a role in its ecosystem, contributing to the intricate web of life. Plants are the foundation of most ecosystems. Through photosynthesis, they convert sunlight into energy, producing oxygen as a byproduct. Forests, grasslands, and wetlands all rely on plants to support their food webs. Trees, flowers, shrubs, and grasses provide food and habitat for countless organisms. Animals add dynamic interactions to ecosystems. Herbivores, such as elephants, rabbits, and caterpillars, feed on plants and help disperse seeds. Carnivores, including eagles, sharks, and spiders, control herbivore populations and maintain balance. Omnivores, like bears and raccoons, have varied diets that help them adapt to different environments. Each animal, from the tiniest ant to the largest whale, has a niche, a specific role that supports the ecosystem. Nature operates through a series of cycles that maintain balance and sustain life. The water cycle is essential for all life on Earth. It involves the continuous movement of water through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. Water evaporates from the surface of oceans, lakes, and rivers, forming clouds. These clouds eventually release their moisture as rain or snow, replenishing freshwater sources. The cycle ensures that water is distributed across the planet, supporting ecosystems and human life. The carbon cycle involves the movement of carbon between the atmosphere, oceans, soil, and living organisms. Plants absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, converting it into organic matter. Animals consume plants, incorporating carbon into their bodies. When plants and animals die, decomposers break them down, releasing carbon back into the atmosphere. This cycle regulates the amount of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, in the atmosphere, influencing the Earth's climate. The nitrogen cycle is crucial for plant growth. Nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into forms that plants can use by nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Plants absorb nitrogen from the soil, incorporating it into proteins and other essential compounds. Animals obtain nitrogen by eating plants or other animals. When plants and animals die, decomposers return nitrogen to the soil, continuing the cycle. Human activities have profoundly impacted nature, often in ways that threaten the delicate balance of ecosystems. Deforestation, the clearing of forests for agriculture, logging, and urban development, is a major threat to biodiversity. Forests are home to countless species, and their destruction leads to habitat loss, fragmentation, and extinction. Deforestation also contributes to climate change by reducing the number of trees that can absorb carbon dioxide. Pollution from industrial activities, agriculture, and urban areas contaminates air, water, and soil. Air pollution, primarily from burning fossil fuels, leads to respiratory problems in humans and animals and contributes to global warming. Water pollution from chemicals, plastics, and waste harms aquatic life and disrupts ecosystems. Soil pollution affects plant growth and can lead to the accumulation of harmful substances in the food chain. Climate change, driven by the increase in greenhouse gases from human activities, is causing significant changes in weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems. Rising temperatures affect the distribution of species, alter migration patterns, and increase the frequency of extreme weather events. Melting ice caps and glaciers contribute to sea level rise, threatening coastal communities and habitats. Despite the challenges, there are efforts to protect and preserve nature. Creating protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, helps conserve biodiversity. These areas provide safe habitats for species and protect ecosystems from human interference. Conservation organizations work to expand these areas and connect them with wildlife corridors to support animal movements. Environmental restoration projects aim to rehabilitate damaged ecosystems. Reforestation, wetland restoration, and coral reef rehabilitation are examples of efforts to restore habitats and promote biodiversity. These projects often involve community participation, raising awareness, and fostering a sense of stewardship. Adopting sustainable practices in agriculture, industry, and daily life can reduce our impact on nature. Sustainable farming methods, such as crop rotation and organic farming, preserve soil health and reduce chemical use. Renewable energy sources, like solar and wind power, decrease reliance on fossil fuels. Reducing, reusing, and recycling materials minimizes waste and conserves resources. Nature has a remarkable ability to heal and rejuvenate both itself and us. Spending time in natural settings has been shown to reduce stress, improve mental health, and enhance overall well-being. Activities such as hiking, gardening, and bird watching provide physical exercise, mental relaxation, and a deeper connection to the natural world. Nature, with its boundless beauty and complexity, is an integral part of our existence. It sustains life, inspires wonder, and offers solace. As we navigate the challenges of the modern world, it is crucial to recognize our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world. By embracing conservation efforts, adopting sustainable practices, and fostering a deep appreciation for nature, we can ensure that future generations inherit a planet rich in biodiversity and natural splendor. The symphony of nature is a timeless melody that deserves to be cherished and safeguarded.